I'm Timberly Gonzalez, and I'm here at Highlands Ranch High School, and I'm a senior.
I am Amy Larson. I am a school counselor at Highlands Ranch High School.
This was our family before everything wasn't working. My mom, she was a wonderful lady as far as I know. Not having like a nurtured mom or like a lady figure in my life was hard. He had missed my birthday one time because he went to jail 5 days before. Around 7, 8, he kind of told me that, hey, you're gonna be basically like the mother or the maid of the house. We didn't really have anywhere to go, so we kind of just moved from house to house. So then I wasn't in school for that other 8th grade and then 9th grade, just because my father was trying to do online, but it never worked out.
Timberly came to us having not having had been in school for about 1.5 years.
It really affected me.
When she came to us, she was living with her grandmother, who kind of helped get her away from her father, who was abusive.
I was just like, I don't think this is for me. I was kind of a ruckus, riot, like, you know, I gotta go rebel.
Well, we got her set up in our ACE program.
My ACE teacher, Mr. Wolf, he really helped me understand that it wasn't my fault for a lot of things that had happened. I really like it here.
We also did very regular check-ins just to make sure that she was handling the transition okay and had somebody at school that she could go to and talk to. Since she's been here, we've just watched her grow, and she's such a great advocate for herself.
What really helped was the support system at the school.
She'll be the first person in her family to graduate from high school.
I'm gonna be going to Western Colorado Community College up in Grand Junction.
When she walks across that stage at Red Rocks, I'm going to be a sobbing mess.
I don't know what I kind of did, but it's been really nice to know that I did get something from going hard to being stable and being recognized.
So proud of Timberly.
I want to be somebody and not just nobody.